Yo guys, coming back to my channel video. So today I'm gonna show you my bed tower have slime blanket. Marshmallow slime is for real marshmallow slime, and it's for real like marshmallow. So white is my blanket. So you can buy at IKEA. IKEA is Malaysia, KL, or any place. So let's see. So this is my blanket, marshmallow slime blanket, and looks marshmallow.